I'm just going to try this on just to make sure that it fits somewhat. You still have the big arm though, so I'm going to have to take a couple needles, pins, whichever way you want to look at it. Try and pin it a little bit bigger than you need it. Make enough room for seam. Just do this down the side. There you go. I'm going to give myself just a little bit extra room here. Always go bigger and then be ready for the story. There we go. That's starting to look a little better. Now I'm going to do the exact same on the other side, but I can just mirror image it again. That's the easiest way to make sure it's symmetrical. So take it off, making sure you have no trouble taking it off. And I'm going to cut this out now.